So NFC should be on your iPhone by default, but in case you're trying to scan a tag or something and it's not working, you can actually force turn on NFC on your iPhone. To do this, just open the Shortcuts app. So just scroll through your home pages and find the Shortcuts app. If you can't find it, just swipe down and then look for it. Just type Shortcuts. And you can find it by searching. So launch the Shortcuts app, and on the Shortcuts app, tap on Automation, in the middle there, and then tap on New Automation. And from the options, you can either look for NFC, so you can scroll and find NFC, or maybe you can search if you don't want to scroll. But NFC should be somewhere here. You can tap on that and then tap on Scan, and that's going to enable or turn on the NFC scanner in case it was not working. Okay, so that is basically how to turn on NFC on your iPhone. Like I said, it should be on by default, but in case it's not working or you're trying to scan something and it's not scanning, you can do it like this, and then now you're definitely sure it's on and working. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Good luck.